Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's January 28th, I think, 2026. It's a cold one. Just got several inches last night. Yeah, it just seems to be not stopping. And one of the goals, since the sun is out, going to be out for a little while, we do have more lake effect coming. And we're in the midst of this Arctic cold spell. So it's not enough in central New York that we have to deal with the snow that we get. And the good Lord blesses us with a little bit of chilly air just to keep us on our toes and all. So I'm going to go ahead and see what I can do. Fortunately, the winds have helped out a lot with blowing a lot of the snow off of the solar panels and all. But we'll see. I think it's probably pretty adhered. I don't know. So what tool should I use? Should I use the new unit? I think I'll use the new unit, which is similar to the Avalanche, and it's got that some poly material, some plastic component sheet that should help it to slide off. And we'll see how that goes. Yeah, it seems a little too deep for the rest of it. We'll see on how I end up dealing with it and all. But it looks like we're in for a lake effect this whole week until this weekend. And then we've got the Arctic issue going on. But look at that Canadian hemlock there. It's always nice to see the snow in the trees. You'll see the snow's almost always directly on the west side of the trees here in the forest, so the wind's just coming right out of the west. But anyways, I'm putting this off too long and it's too darn cold. So yeah, I think the E&V Energy ordered the pump yesterday. They have no idea how long it will take. I had to send them pictures to verify the model and all. So hopefully we can get that in soon and we'll get our off-road diesel tank going. Thank God we've got the backup. Okay, enough. And I'll tell you, it's above zero, but with the wind chill, it is very cold. All right, enough whining. Come on, turn off.
The frost creeps in, the air turns gray. Snow clouds gather, it's on its way. We brace ourselves, the winter's call. But it's not all pretty, not at all. When the ground's still soft, it's a mess we find. Wet snow piles up and it's grinding time. Living in snow country, it's a rugged scene. Blowers digging deep where the ground's not clean. Wet snow's a battle and the rocks roll in, shearing off the blower pins again. It's not always magic, it's not always bright. Living in snow country through the cold hard nights. Before the freeze, it's a test of grit. You clear one path, then the blower quits. Shovels scrape where the mud still lies. The fight gets real beneath winter skies. Chains on the tires, grease on my hands, plowing snow while the whole world stands. Living in snow country, it's a rugged scene. Blowers digging deep where the ground's not clean. Wet snow's a battle and the rocks roll in, shearing off the blower pins again. It's not always magic, it's not always bright. Living in snow country through the cold hard nights. But when the ground finally freezes tight and the snow falls clean on a moonlit night, there's a beauty to the silence, a peace so near. It's the price we pay for the winters here. Living in snow country, it's a rugged scene. Blowers digging deep where the ground's not clean. Wet snow's a battle and the rocks roll in, shearing off the blower pins again. It's not always magic, it's not always bright. Living in snow country through the cold hard nights. We curse the thaw, we embrace the freeze. It's a life of work, no guarantees, but through the struggle we learn to know the beauty and the beast of the winter snow. Another storm's rolling in, it's hitting us hard. Winds howling through the trees, snow stacking in the yard. Whiteout swirling, can't see the road, but we've been here before, we know how it goes. Fire up Optimus, let that engine roar, cutting through the drifts, we're ready for more. The forecast says snow, the wind's gonna blow, but here in snow country we already know. Plow lines vanish, buried in white, feels like the storm's gonna rage all night. But we don't stop, no we don't quit, we clear the way, we handle it. Fire up Optimus, let that engine roar, cutting through the drifts, we're ready for more. The forecast says snow, the wind's gonna blow, but here in snow country we already know. The cold might bite, the wind might sting, but out here we handle anything. Grit and steel, heart in hand, standing strong in this frozen land. Fire up Optimus, let that engine roar, cutting through the drifts, we're ready for more. The forecast says snow, the wind's gonna blow, but here in snow country we already know. Storm after storm, we dig on through, whatever it takes, we'll see it through. High winds, deep snow, let it all come down. We're built for this, we hold our ground.
In a world that's rushing by, take a moment, breathe. Find the beauty in the small, like the falling leaves. Step by step we make our way, in the rhythm slow. Every seed we plant today in time will grow. Patience in the hands we hold, little moments pure as gold. In the quiet find the strength, in the journey find the length. Use small and slow solutions, take it day by day. In the little changes find our way. Nature's pace will guide us, steady and true. In the simple steps we'll see it through. Use small and slow solutions, let it be. In the calm and steady we are free. From the soul beneath our feet to the sky above, every cycle, every turn teaches us to love. Tiny streams that carve the land, mountains standing tall. In the patience of the plan we find it all. In the seeds we sow with care, in the moments that we share. In the stillness wisdom grows, in the small and slow it shows. Use small and slow solutions, take it day by day. In the little changes find our way. Nature's pace will guide us, steady and true. In the simple steps we'll see it through. Use small and slow solutions, let it be. In the calm and steady we are free. In the whispers of the wind, in the patience we begin. Building dreams with tender hands, in the small we understand. Use small and slow solutions, take it day by day. In the little changes find our way. Nature's pace will guide us, steady and true. In the simple steps we'll see it through. Use small and slow solutions, let it be. In the calm and steady we are free. So we move with gentle grace, in the quiet find our place. Use small and slow, find the light, in the journey we'll unite.
just got back from lunch and taken some acetaminophen and some ibuprofen. Really sore today. And the sun came back out. I got a lot more to do over here. The new avalanche replacement, that's the roof cleaning unit there. There's a lot of good things about it. I like the aluminum poles. I like that it's lightweight. You know, the wing nuts aren't a problem so far, but the material, that blue material, is not nearly as good as the Avalanche, the previous one that I had. This tears easily. Anytime there's a little breeze, it folds over so it doesn't lay flat to allow the snow to slide off of it. Just not as good, but that's life. So I got more to do to finish this stuff here and all, and we'll see what I do next. But I got the northern set. I got those uncovered. Only some of this done so far, but I got so sore I had to stop. And I think I'll probably stop just because I'm just feeling pretty worn out today. It's a shame I won't get all the snow cleared up around here. I'll do that tomorrow. I know we're going to get more snow, and also we're at least getting the bulk of it off of the solar panels today. So I'm going to continue at this, and these batteries and these GoPros die if I don't run them. So this may be the end of the video. If it is, stay safe, take care, and don't overdo it. It can be a bit too much at times. Anyways.
I see folks on the corner shouting at the sky, scrolling through their anger, asking someone why, looking for a reason, looking for a place, trying to find belonging in a hurried, noisy race. But son, I've walked some miles now, worn leather thin on these old shoes, and there's a truth that kept me steady I want to pass along to you. Find a quiet place and learn to love yourself. Take care of your mind, don't leave it on the shelf. Take care of your spirit, let it breathe and rest. Take care of your body, it's the only one you get. When the world feels heavy and you've had enough, start right there. Learn to love yourself. I hear the crying on the screen, they outrage every day. Everyone's offended, everyone's got something to say. Trying to win a battle that don't have a finish line, forgetting the simple things that keep a heart alive. You don't heal a broken mirror by throwing stones at the glass. You've got to look yourself straight on and forgive the past. Find a quiet place and learn to love yourself. Take care of your mind, don't leave it on the shelf. Take care of your spirit, let it breathe and rest. Take care of your body, it's the only one you get. When the world feels heavy and you've had enough, start right there. When to love yourself. I'm just an old man talking with a weathered country tongue. I've seen hate burn, people holler, and love pull them through. You can't pour from an empty cup or get what you don't know. Fill your heart with mercy first, then let that mercy go. Find a quiet place and learn to love yourself. Take care of your mind, don't leave it on the shelf. Take care of your spirit, let it breathe and rest. Take care of your body, it's the only one you get. When the world feels heavy and you had enough, start right there. Learn to love yourself. Let go of the hate, lay the anger down. Learn to love in the hush, not the crowd. Once you found that peace you've been dreaming of, turn around and spread that love.
Okay, I finally got it all off. I'm pretty beat. I'm wiped right out today. I mean, there's still some stuff. Hopefully the sun will take it off, but this will have to wait till tomorrow for me to move all this snow. There's a heck of a lot of it. But we probably have another hour of sunlight left here. That we can get some power. And I know it's going to snow tonight. It's going to snow the next few days, but that's the way it is here in central New York. So the new unit, there's tears in the material. That material really sucks. The rest of the unit is good, but it folds. It doesn't allow for the snow to slide off the full width of the sheet. It folds over on you. It's just a lot of extra work. Where the other material in the other one tend to lay pretty flat, where this just sort of, well, it's sort of like a sheet. Anything that catches it, it just sort of folds some. But anyways, we got the bulk of it off. You have to, when there's so much snow on it, you have to keep moving the snow out bit by bit to make room for the snow to come off so it doesn't just stay on the lower panels. That's where I really wish I had had these panels raised up another 2 feet. It would have made a significant difference, but it is what it is. And maybe tomorrow, if things work out, I definitely have to snow blow. And I was planning on doing that this afternoon, but I don't have it in me now. I am very sore. And I need to rest up some, get my back to straighten out.